Dear all, in this video, I'm going to discuss what is the meaning of shelf module. Do you know about shelf module? What is the significance of shelf module? That is a major content I just want to convince you. So before that, let me give the introduction about shelf module. So before that, let me ask one thing. Why you are using shelf in your house? Why you are using a cupboard in your house? Because you will be segregating the objects in a sequential and order wise. Whenever I can require, I'll directly fetch that particular area of the wardrobe and I'm going to fetch the information. For example, for the cloth, so I'm going to make the partition such that t-shirt will be keeping in one area and a normal formal dress will be keeping in one another area and my pants and trousers I'm going to keep in separate area. Whenever I want a new pant, what I am going to do, I'll be directly finding out the area where my pant is kept or trousers are kept. Then I'll be taking out, right? So it's the best way to access the variable at whenever we require. So here, using this module can be imported using the importing the shelf module. So we can save the load variable in our convenience fashion. Whenever we require that variable or an object, we can easily call. It will give the access to call the particular object at a certain time. So it provides dictionary. Usually, it provides the dictionary-like interface, and like uh, the object is going to store in the form of key value pair. Whenever we require, we can directly call key. Key means that it is going to map the value, right? So the main advantages of this method is this module is persistent storage. It will just like a dictionary-like interface in the interface, also easy to use. These are the plus point of shell module. It will print the object or it will display the object in a presentable way. So also we can access the object or variable at any point of time. How it work? So it can store any pickable Python object like a list, a dictionary, or classes, and it uses the key value pair system, just like using the dictionary. That's why I mentioned you that it's a dictionary dictionary like interface. So initially, main important thing is you need to import the shelf module. If I want to have the operation with the shelf, I need to use the command called import shelf. That means importing the shelf module that you need to do first. Later, like I need to open, how to open it. So what you can do is you can use the keyword called with, then you can use the keyword shelf dot open. Okay, it will act as a together, it will act as a function. Then you can mention the name of the file where I want to open. So if you want, you can make a shortcut as name of the file, I think, and there you can make it as DB. So now what you will do, my data is known as DB right now. DB of name, my name I am going to put. DB of marks I am going to put. Okay, so for the other session, so I was just wanted to open again, like with the shell open my data as DB, like a short form. So if I print the name, I'm going to get the name. If I print DB, I'm going to get my marks. It will be like a better presentable way. That is the importance of shell module. Okay, it will give the dictionary like interference so that anybody wanted to point out, it is very easy. Correct. The object can be easily traceable. That is a peculiarity of this method. So in the shelf module, so there is another example. Okay, so here we are going to use to open the shelf module using this code. Later we are going to map, then try to find it out the object. Main plus point of or main benefits of shell modules are simple to use, great for small data and storage. No need to handle like a file like a critical. Okay, critical information you should not carry. No need to handle the file reading writing manually. Okay, so the drawbacks are not suitable for very large data sets or multi-user access. That is one of the setbacks. Then only works with the pickable objects. That is another set shortfalls of this shelf module. Anyway, every module will be having pros and cons like the likewise. So I have pointed out pros and cons of shelf module. So there are uses cases like saving your preferences. Okay, you can save user preferences, storing the session data. Okay, then small database for personal scripts. So these are the major use cases. So in this session, I discussed about shell module in brief. Also, I try to convince you what is the meaning of shell module. So if you have any queries, do let me know. So this program you can type. I already worked out this program, and if you want, I can show you how shell module operate. Let me share the screen of the compiler. So I typed the same program. So I imported the module, then I have opened the file, then I just renamed. Okay. Then later I just wanted to print I already told you that it will act as just like a key value pair interface, dictionary like interface. If I type my name, then I'm getting my name. And if I put my marks, use my like another one, I'm going to get a variable, another object, going to get the marks. So this is one of the typical example. You can do the same thing in your code. The output will be in this fashion. So output will be in a better presentable format. So if you have any queries, do let me know. So in the coming session, I'm going to discuss about the rest of this module. 3 parallelly, I'm going to share the important concept in the coming session. I wish you all the very best for your examination. Happy learning. So if you're watching our channel first time, I request you to subscribe our channel. Definitely, as soon as I'm going to upload, you will be getting notified. Also, put the bell button so that you will be getting the notification on your fingertip. Kindly subscribe and support. Happy learning. Wish you all the very best for your examination. Thank you.